outside of Portland on I-85. I got about 5 drops here. But this river here goes right to the Pacific Ocean. 84 runs right alongside of this river here. I filmed it all coming in. This is mile marker 21 at a scenic view. It's the only place I could find for parking. I went into the TA at mile marker 17 and it was packed right at about 3 in the afternoon, so I turned around and had to come back here. It's pretty wooded around here in Oregon. Oregon history, River Highway. This just tells you about the life here along the river in the 1700s. Looks like 1792. You got a naval guy that came up here. The only way you get through here is go through the Pacific Ocean and come up to this river. I see all the barges that come up here. But it's the end of June. Still had some snow on the mountains. You can see how this river just cuts through this canal. But it's pretty wooded here, just like Washington. I still like Donner better, but it's a good place to check out. Seems pretty quiet. But I gotta go to Kroger's and another place, Alpine, Albertson, and Super Value. But this is where I woke up. Get there about 9 in the morning. It's about 8 o'clock right now here. I put these new CB antennas up. Looks like it's a little bit higher than the trailer, probably about an inch. Couldn't get anything lower than that. Should be pretty good. A lot of work on those CB antennas getting up there. Both these caps are looking pretty good. Got a new look. Put these clear ground lights on. Put these lights on in the inside. The lights shine the side. I put the red here to shine to the back, to the front of the trailer. Made Weckesser is separate, so it didn't mess with the warranty on the truck for any wiring. I'm hoping the CB antennas are not too high. Those are the 4.5 feet. The other ones were 3 inches lower, but the trailer's 13.6. I'd say it's about 13.8 now. I gotta watch the bridges. But the other ones are all cracked up. There's a lot of cracking going on in the CB, so I'm hoping that was the trick. But I gotta go and start unloading now.